how long does Chime approval take? You've been eyeing that Chime account for a while now, haven't you? The promise of fee-free banking, early direct deposit, and a user-friendly app is definitely tempting. But before you dive in, there's one burning question: how long does it take to get approved? Let's be real, waiting is the worst. We all want instant gratification, right? But when it comes to financial services, there's usually a process involved. So, let's break down what factors influence Chime approval times and what you can expect. First things first, Chime isn't a traditional bank. It's a financial technology company that partners with banks to offer banking services. This means the approval process is a bit different. While it's generally faster than traditional banks, there are still some variables. Factors affecting Chime approval. Several things can impact how quickly your Chime application is approved. Let's dive into the key factors. Credit score. While Chime doesn't have strict credit score requirements, a good credit history can certainly help. A solid financial track record shows you're responsible with money, which increases your chances of approval. Income. Proving you have a steady income is essential. Chime wants to ensure you can manage your finances and avoid overdraft fees. Direct deposit is a plus, as it demonstrates a regular income stream. Employment verification. To confirm your income, Chime might verify your employment. Be prepared to provide information about your employer. Identity verification. You'll need to provide personal information for identity verification. This includes your social security number and government-issued ID. Account history. If you have a history of overdrafts or other financial issues, it could impact your approval. Chime wants to minimize risk. How long does it actually take? Now, let's talk about the big question: how long will you wait? In many cases, Chime approval can be pretty quick. Some users report being approved within minutes of submitting their application. It's like instant gratification for your finances. However, it's essential to understand that this isn't always the case. If Chime needs to verify your information or if there are any issues with your application, the approval process could take longer. We're talking a few hours or even a couple of days. Tips for a smooth approval process. To increase your chances of a speedy approval, here are some tips. Accurate information. Double-check all the information you provide on your application. Errors can cause delays. Strong income. If possible, set up direct deposit to show a steady income. Good credit. While not mandatory, a decent credit score can help. Be patient. Understand that the approval process takes time. Avoid rushing or submitting incomplete information. What happens after approval? Once you're approved, you'll typically receive a confirmation email or notification. From there, you can activate your account and start using your Chime card. While there's no exact timeline for Chime approval, understanding the factors involved can help manage your expectations. Remember, everyone's financial situation is different, so your experience may vary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.